Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll go through the swatches settings in Darkify and explain what each option does. Let's start with the Customization tab. At the top, you'll see different switch styles. Each design changes the appearance of the dark mode toggle on your website. You can choose the one that best matches your theme and branding. Switch size. Here, you can control the size of the toggle. Options range from extra small to extra large. Choose a size that fits naturally with your layout, not too small to miss and not too large to distract. Switch background. This allows you to set different background colors for light mode and dark mode. This helps maintain good contrast and visual consistency in both themes. Switch icon color. You can customize the icon colors separately for light mode and dark mode. This ensures the sun or moon icon stays clearly visible regardless of the background. Switch border. Here you can control border width, border color, and border radius. Increasing the radius makes the switch more rounded, while lowering it gives a sharper look. Tooltip on floating switch. Once enabled, you can choose the tooltip position, left, right, top, or bottom. You can also customize the tooltip text, the background color, and the text color. This helps users clearly understand what the switch does. Alternative dark mode switch. This option allows you to use your own custom button or element as a dark mode switch. Simply enter a comma-separated CSS class or ID selector. For example, you can target a custom button in your theme header and turn it into a dark mode toggle. This is useful if you want full design control instead of using the floating switch. Switcher shortcode. Here, you'll find a shortcode that you can copy and paste into any page or post. This allows you to display the dark mode switch anywhere inside your content. You can also customize its values directly inside the shortcode, including different switch styles available in the current version. This is perfect if you want to place the switch inside a page builder, footer, or specific layout section. Now, let's move to the Positioning tab. Default switch position. By default, the switch appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can change this to bottom left, top right, or top left. Choose the position that fits best with your website layout. Margin settings. You can adjust how far the switch sits from the edges of the screen. Increasing the margin moves it inward, reducing it places it closer to the edge. Different position on mobile. This allows you to use a different switch position specifically for mobile devices. Once enabled, additional mobile positioning options appear. This helps maintain better usability on smaller screens. Absolute switch position. When enabled, the switch becomes absolutely positioned. This gives you more control over exact placement inside your layout. And that's the complete overview of the swatches settings. These options allow you to fully customize how the dark mode switch looks and behaves on your website. Adjust the design, tooltip behavior, and positioning to match your branding and improve user experience. Thanks for watching.